Hey guys, we are going to cook fresh sardines today. It's all fresh big sardines. This is already cleaned and we are going to cook it in another way instead of frying. Kasi pag frying, it will smell all over the house, inside the house, so malansa siya. So ibahin natin ang pagluto, no? So this one we have to, I already, the skin, I didn't remove the skin of course. So we have to put some salt there. Yes. Yan, baliktarin para lahat malagyan. And then we have to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And the mix powder, of course, the Arabic mix powder is a tablespoon. You add 1 tablespoon of mixed powder. And we got here cumin. Yan, teaspoon of cumin also. You have to add. Ay, dagdagan natin kasi mabango siya pag maraming cumin, guys. And also 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Half teaspoon of black pepper. And then, yes, baliktarin again. Put it side. Yes, so the mix and then put the rest of the ingredients. Slice onions, garlic, pitted garlic. Naku, nahulog. Ibalik natin, sayang. And of course, the slice of chili. Medyo maanghang ito, guys. It would be a bit spicy. So, and of course we have to add olive oil. 5 tablespoons of olive oil. 2, yes, 3, 4, and 5. Ayan, so that is the only ingredients we got here, guys. And after that, we gonna have to set the oven. Nakaset na po yung oven. And we are just going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Kung mainit na yung oven nyo, if the oven is already hot, then it would be easy. So 30 minutes lang po ang maximum pag-oven ng fish. So let's put it in the oven now, guys. That is in the oven now. Andyan na siya sa oven. So let's wait for 30 minutes. And hola! This is hola! Ayan, tapos na. Guys, tingnan niyo ang itsura niya. Diba? Ayan, yung oil na yan. Kasi yung top niya medyo tulo yan. So, kailangan natin lagyan dun sa, yung oil dun sa top para hindi na natin baliktarin. Kasi kung babaliktarin natin, if we have to put that upside down, then it will be broken. Broken na yung mga isda. So, diba? So, ganun na lang gawin natin. And after that, you can put it in the oven again. Kung gusto nyo pa ng medyo maluto, sobrang luto, then you can always put it back again in the oven. Then you have to garnish it, kasi sa akin okay na yan. You have to garnish it with celery. Gusto ko talaga ang celery, guys. Masarap siya eh. Masarap siya. Yung pang sa lansa. Patanggal lansa. Sabi nga, detox. Ang celery. Pang detox ang celery. So, yan nga. Nilagay ko na siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng celery. At ready na tayong kumain, guys. That is the recipe for today. Sardines. Bagong paraan ng pagluluto ng sardines. So, ayan. Pinainit ko na lang siya ng konti. Then, yun na yung kinalabasan, guys. Medyo naluto yung celery natin. But, pwedeng fresh naman yung celery. So, this is our fish sardines. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. And I hope you learned another recipe for your for your sardines. Tamban.